What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Take Profit, and I'm back at y'all with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over why you need to become numb when trading in the market. And I'm going to speak on some things that I believe you guys should do to become numb. And I'm just going to speak on the benefits, because we have to keep ourselves in control when we're trading. We have to keep ourselves in control when we're winning a lot of trades. We have to keep ourselves in control when we're losing a lot of trades. We have to be able to stay on a steady flow. And the emotion is the only thing that literally knocks us out of rhythm completely. So I just want to profess that you need to be numb to the results of your trading, because literally being numb is what keeps you level-headed. But I'm gonna get more into the video. Without further ado, it's your boy Rich Take Profit. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with the channel so far. We're getting really close to 500 subscribers. So if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Like this video for more content like this, where I help traders out with their psychology. If you are somebody that is struggling on your journey, if you're somebody that's been trading for a long time, if you feel like you're on the verge of giving up, if you feel like this is something that's not for you, I'm telling you, stay in the game, because I have all videos leading up to so many psychological things that go on in our brains that stem from all personal walks of life. If you're struggling, if you're okay, if you're not okay, if you have trouble knowing who you are, knowing yourself, learning yourself, this is the channel where I help traders become the trader that they need to be. I guide people through all the psychological issues that we have when it comes to being a trader and trying to change our lives at the same time. It takes a lot of inner work. Everybody shows you the lavish lifestyle, but nobody shows you the person that they were when they first started trading, to the person that they had to become to benefit from the person they become, to get to the payouts, to get to the consistent withdrawals, to understanding themselves. Because you want to be a profitable day trader, but do you wake up every day and act like one? Do you trade like one? Do you respect the markets like one? Do you listen to yourself like one? Right? Are you less emotional like one? Right? So if anybody is struggling with any of that, this is a channel for you. Or I also show my journey. I show y'all what stages I'm at in my journey, where I'm at currently, give y'all updates on me personally, because I am still getting myself to that point. I just know I have all the knowledge, I just have trouble applying it. So you guys get to see me on my journey as I just teach everybody around me, so we can all become better traders over time. So hey, if y'all like this content, make sure y'all subscribe. We're almost at 500 subs. I appreciate all the love and support. But with that being said, we're gonna hop straight into the video. So being numb to the markets is just number one. It allows you to focus with no emotional attachment to the result. And we know how important it is to not be emotional with our trading, not get our feelings caught up in every trade, right? Because this is what allows your decision making to become weak, fragile, right? Impulsive. And these moves and these actions that we take, these decisions that we make, are the reason why we can't stay in the game long term. There are so many instances where I've been able to make a ton of money off of doing something risky, off of doing something I'm not supposed to do. But if you continue those actions, you're gonna blow yourself up. If you lose 2 trades back to back, you need to step away for the day. But you decide to stay there and sit there and take another trade. And it may work one day, but the next time, that might be the end of your account. So being numb allows you to stay in a place where you can't blow up your account, because you're just following your rules. If you're numb, you can follow your rules. You can focus on the plan. You can be more dissective with the charts. You can look at what you can slow yourself down, look at the market structure. You can look and literally pay attention and see things. You can see what range you're in. You can tell yourself if you're bullish or bearish, right? And if you are confused, accept that you don't need to trade today and walk away. But the emotion, the rush, the need the greed. They are emotions that fill ourselves, and it allows us to make impulsive decisions in the market, leading to unnecessary trades, leading to unnecessary losses, even unnecessary wins. Because at the end of the day, if it's not part of the plan, if it's not part of what you look for on a daily basis, you're just taking random trades. If you don't have a system, if you don't have data back tested on this specific strategy, on this specific movement, you're doing yourself a disservice by taking that trade in the first place. The only trades we should be taking are the ones that you have data on, the ones that you know can yield you a 61 percentage, ones that you know are going to actually get you to the payout, get you past evals, and get you withdrawals. Those are the only trades you're supposed to be taking. You're not supposed to be taking anything else. But you feel like it's your duty to catch every single move, and that's just not the case. All right? Next, winning and losing can't affect your day or your energy, allowing you to have a consistent flow daily and weekly. Now, this is key. When you're numb, when you win, when you lose, it doesn't affect you at all. And that's great because you should be able to take your trades, follow the plan, you got the result, you're done for the day. Come back tomorrow, result, done for the day, come back tomorrow, right? Follow the plan, not the result. You need to, I'm trying to think, like, what's the best way that I can say this? The more that you want from the market, the more that you will lose in the market. The more that you want is the more that you will lose. And this is why. Your A+ setup may show up twice in your trading session, right? But if you take action on the B+ setup, you might miss that A+ entry, which could affect your entire trade. And if you lose and you get frustrated by that, what do you think you're going to try to do? You're going to try to force an entry in the middle of the A+ setup, but you didn't get the A+ entry, if that makes sense. So there's probably times where you guys have taken some trades at the wrong time, and you take them at the wrong time. You get in too early, you get stopped out, and it goes in your direction. And then there's some of you that get in too late, where you get in after the move has already happened, and you're just trying to catch the little bits and crumbs and pieces, but you go into drawdown because the trade is just doing this thing, but you're entering at a random time. But I want y'all to understand the why. The why is because you're not numb. The why is because you are moving impulsive. The why is you're taking trades with the wrong intention. Every trade you take should be numb, and it should be like with the intention of it's my setup, it's my plan. Everything outside of that, it don't matter. If you take a win, you need to note in your journal that this wasn't a win that I'm proud of. Why? Because I didn't follow my rules. I hopped in at the break of the candle instead of the break and the retest of the candle. I got in at the break and I understood why I'm in drawdown. I understood why I got stopped out because I didn't wait for the retest. I just took the break. Impulsive, right? Dissect your plan. I know this is like a step-by-step tutorial, but like the psychology can't work if you're not even on a system in the first place. And that's why it's supposed to be learn the skill, have a system, work on the psychology, right? Don't work on the psychology if you don't have the system, because the system can't ever get right because you don't even have, like, your psychology is not going to be right because your system's not right. And if your system's not right and your psychology is not right, this is where your loop happens. This is where you're taking trades and losing. You're getting upset. You don't have a system. Slow down. Slow down. And I have something for y'all to do for y'all if y'all need to slow down. If you struggle with being numb, if you struggle with being emotional, if you let your losses and your wins make you happy or make you sad, this is what I need you to do. I need you to stop whatever account you're trading. If you're on that funded challenge, go ahead and trade that shit until you blow it, because you're probably going to blow it. Respectfully, you might blow that account because your emotions are attached to the account, right? You're trading different, right? If you're on a funded account, stop trading a funded account, because like, just let it be. Don't blow it. Do not blow the funded account. I'm talking about the eval because you got to pay for it every month. But when you're funded, you have your funded account, don't trade them. If you're feeling emotions, don't trade them. I want you to trade your demo account for 2 weeks to a month. Right? And you're going to be like, dang, 2 weeks to a month. That's like a month I could have been. You could have, but you wouldn't have been trading with a NUMB mindset. Like you wouldn't be trading with, I wish I had a better term for it instead of just saying NUMB mindset. But you know what I mean. When you get on a demo account, what do? You look for your setup, you take your setup, you win. You look for your setup the next day, you take it, you win. You look for the next setup, you take it, you lost, you don't care. Come back tomorrow, take a setup, you win. Bang. End of the week, I got three W's, 1 L. This is a solid week. I didn't even have to trade the 5th day because I'm just following my plan. 3 dubs in a week, I'm done for the week. 3 winning trades, I'm done for the week. Right? But this is why I know a lot of y'all skipped this step because I did too. A lot of traders skip the demo trade for 6 to 12 months. Why? Because you want to make money. But you want to know what happens when you trade to just make money? You're emotional. You're emotional when things don't work out. You're emotional when your results don't match your plan. Why? It's all because of your emotions, bro. Nobody wants to take the demo step. Nobody wants to just trade the system without making money for 6 to 12 months. But that's literally what you need to do to see your plan work out, to see your skills in action, to see you following your plans, to see you not being impulsive, to see you being patient, to see you waiting for the A+ setup. But you want to make money, so you trade, you make impulsive decisions, you make mistakes, you make impulsive decisions, you make mistakes because you didn't even give yourself time to practice the model, practice the strategy, see how you can improve it, and then put the money behind it. Then put a little bit of emotion behind it. It's all just backwards, you know? And this is coming from me, a person that did not demo trade at all. Like I demo traded just to get the system, and then I immediately started trading funded evals and funded challenges. I've been trading for a while now, so I understand the nuances of it all. But I know most of us skip the demo part. Like I took a week and a half to demo trade a strategy so I can have the confidence to know it works. So that way when I get on the funded eval, I can just do the same thing. But the longevity of you demo trading gives you the longevity, the consistency over time that you do the right thing regardless of the result. And that's the part where most traders don't get themselves to the next level, because you just want to get that consistency in the midst of you getting a funded account, in the midst of you getting to your first payout or your withdrawal, instead of just demo trading, getting the confidence that knowing that this system works. So that way when you start trading your eval, start trading your funded account, there isn't like, you don't get a sense that it's not working. Because it's always like, yo, how come every time I demo trade it, I make money, and every time I'm on a funded account, I lose money? It's because the emotions. It's because the fear. It's because you're not abundant. It's just all those things that I talk about in my videos. And you're not numb to the result. Right? So if you struggle with being numb, demo trade. Please, 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 please demo trade. Demo trade that system. Follow it like you're trading it for real. Don't over leverage. Don't over risk. You can to see like this how much money you can make in the future. But if you're going for an eval, like a 50K eval, you need to make 3K in a month. Please, please, please take 2 weeks. Find out your risk parameters to pass that account. Make that 3K on the demo account. Do it over, do it over, do it over. Once you've done it 2 to 3 times, then go get the funded eval and do it again. Then when you get funded, do it again. This is what I low-key, like I low-key should do that. I should do that. I should. My goal for 2020, like my goal right now is to get a funded account before 2026 again. Like I just need to be funded going into 2026. I have 3, 4, 5 weeks. I said 3. I have like 5, 6 weeks until the end of the year. So that's what I'm gonna do. And that's what y'all should do. Get the funded account, but before you get there, do your due diligence. It's your boy Rich Stay Profit. I'm done with this video. If y'all need a team with like-minded individuals, hit that link down below in the description. Make sure y'all like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'm gonna keep giving game. I'm gonna keep helping people improve and make you traders get to the next level. It's your boy Rich Stay Profit. Keep God first, keep grinding and growing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.